Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm not going to apologize for my hair, for my appearance, anything, because I feel like more people need to normalize getting on camera, like how they actually look, and this is how I actually look right now. But I'm going to be preparing to leave for break. I don't know how you guys prepare for break. If you have any like things that you do, let me know in the comments. But something I like to do before I leave for any type of break is really like clean my space so that when I return, I'm coming back to cleanliness and organization, and you can actually relax when you get back instead of having the fact that you left your space a mess, just hanging over your head the entire trip. So today we are going to be cleaning my bathroom, we are going to be doing laundry, and we are going to be packing. So if that is something that you think you would find interesting, just keep watching. And yeah, I think this is something that we've definitely discussed in the past, but I have very sensitive skin, so this is the laundry detergent that I use. I like using stuff that just gets the job done without a whole bunch of artificial fragrances, colors, dyes, everything that's gonna make my skin itch. So I am going to be doing my laundry. Hopefully it's not more than 2 loads. It really shouldn't be more than 2 loads because I purposefully did my laundry again this week so that it wouldn't be too much today, because today is Friday and Friday is my laundry day. So we are going to wash the pillowcases and some other clothes. The last clip was taken 8 hours ago. I have started and finished my laundry. I just have to fold everything. I fell asleep watching YouTube, woke up, went to rehearsal, and now I'm back home. Because I honestly didn't think that me putting my laundry, like transferring the stuff in the washing machine to the dryer, like I really didn't think that that would be interesting. So I went ahead and finished that, and now we have that. So the game plan is to fold and put away these clothes, then do my hair, and then should I even attempt to do my hair though? I think if I do anything to my hair, I should just do it tomorrow morning, because I don't want to go to bed with wet hair. So scratch that. We are going to fold and put away these clothes. Then we are going to clean the bathroom. So this is why I want to do my hair, because sometimes when you do your hair, you make a mess in the bathroom, but I might just have to do a mini tidy up, or maybe I'll just wait till tomorrow. I think I'm just gonna wait till tomorrow to clean my bathroom after I'm done with my hair. So in this video, we are going to fold my clothes, start packing, and we are going to clean my room. That's what we're gonna do. Okay.
But now it's down and out. But I don't want you waiting around for me. I don't want you waiting too long.
Yo, see, I'm a star. Look at me from afar. Hard to be down to earth. When you nesting on Mars, you comment on how I move. Too much space to assume, but I'ma tell you the truth. Shit, now when I'm gone and I'm wrong, round the globe for 3 months, that's too long. Without something that's sweet, so I phone little treats. That's a snack, not a feast. They don't mean much to me, cause I know that I have a bakery back at home. Am I wrong for?
Come on, don't act like I'm average. You want me home. I get you what you want. Superstar status. But you want me alone. Baby, I'm ready. You fill me up, but now it's down and out. But I don't want you waiting around for me. I don't want you waiting too long. I don't want you waiting too long.
Okay guys, so this is what my room is giving. A lot has improved since I started. This is my suitcase. I'm very satisfied. So yeah, it's the night before I leave, and I just thought that this would just be like really good timing to get stuff together. So yeah, so this is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know what you thought, and also let me know if you have any video requests down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.